Hey, this will be a video chart on WAMUQ, Washington Mutual Incorporated. Wanted to get this one up yesterday, but just didn't have time. But unfortunately, this probably won't be a video full of bullish news, but I have gotten some requests on it, and it is still quite the popular chart when you look at the message board forums and so forth. It's always ranking up high, so there's still lots of eyes on it. So I just want to do a quick little update here and kind of go over what's been going on. The last time I did it was, I remember specifically on that day, because we had a nice little volume surge, and then we also got some nice green action. However, the bad news about that is there's just never any follow through. You can see the day after, volume stayed extremely weak, and then actually started to kind of drift back downward. So this was just one of those little kind of one day type nice moves, but there was absolutely no follow through after that, which was pretty disappointing. These two lines you see here don't really matter anymore. They were resistances the last time I did the video. But right now I'm going to talk more about supports, just because that's what this video and the chart really needs to worry about, because we've clearly broken to the downside of the channel that we were in for about 2 months or so after the big down move here that everybody remembers. So right now the bears are looking to gain even more control. So the first area of support that I want to highlight is this level right here. So let me change that to green for support. And this level is valued at 0.126, and I'm simply just getting that level from this previous low right here. Yesterday I did a good job of providing support where the price bounced up, but today the price did close below it. I'm not going to call it a 100% price break just yet because the price hasn't completely separated from it. But if you get it close tomorrow and it's below the low here, which is at 0.116, then yeah, I'd call that a clear break. So for now, I'm going to leave this as a green line. But once again, if tomorrow you close lower than what the low of today is, then this would become a resistance level. But in my personal opinion, and keep in mind this is just my opinion, I think the chart looks to be headed down to this previous low here, which was created on this big wild day at 9 cents. Right now, there's nothing really that's there support wise to hold it up besides where we are right now. I'm going to make this one extra thick to remind us that this is a very important level. But if the price continues to separate from this even just a little more, like I said, there's no supports. You can see here we had a low here, and then the next one is not until right there. So technically speaking, there's no reason why it wouldn't just drop all the way down here and give 9 cents a test. Obviously, you want 9 cents to hold. If it doesn't, then you're going to be putting in lows that haven't been seen for a long time. As you can see, if we scroll back through the chart, this 9 cent low was, let's see, here it got as low as 0.092. So that level is one where it hasn't been seen, but if it does fall, then those are going to be lower lows that are probably as low as they've been for the past year, maybe even more so. As far as resistances, the key right now is going to be to get back above your short-term ones. This blue line here is a 10-day. This gold line is a 20-day. You can see both are kind of above the price right now. So these are going to be the key levels that you want to see the bulls push up above. So that is where the chart stands right now. It's looking like it'll be coming down to test 9 cents. And definitely 9 cents needs to hold, or else things are going to get a lot more ugly. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It's all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts and so forth, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One last time, this was WAMUQ. Thanks for listening.